Hello, this is my 20-inch 2-speed Monarch Aire box fan. There's the plate. I couldn't do much in terms of cleanup on that because the paint wanted to come off with the dirt, so I just left it as is. Cleaned it up. I polished the blades. Front guard cleaned up pretty good. It has some damage down here. Just a couple chunks missing. And in the center here, I replaced this piece of plastic right here. It was missing. And what I did was I got one of these cream white single coil guitar pickup covers, chopped it up because the plastic of this is half thickness of this stuff. I doubled it up, super glued it all together. It's not perfect, but it makes my brain happier seeing something there. But yeah, I just finished cleaning this thing up yesterday, polishing up the blades. I put a new cord on it. This little lamp cord. It's got a thinner jacket on it. Fits better on the little grommet on these older fans. Still has the plug on it that it came with. The cord, that is. I might swap that out for a non-polarized at some point, or I'll just leave it. I haven't decided yet. But it's a nice 12-foot cord, because this fan had like maybe 4 feet of cord when I got it. And it was kind of sketchy, had electrical tape on it and such. Handle's in good shape. That's the back side of it. Cleaned up fairly nicely. There's no rust in the bottom of the cabinet. Hello, inducer blower on my furnace. I believe this is a Marco motor. I don't think it's a Macmillan. It's a little bit different. The oil ports are round in this instead of the little tabs that pop out. There's a code on the motor right there. I believe it means 1974 made. It was made in 1974, perhaps. I would think a little earlier than that, but it could be that. Of course, I cleaned up the motor, oiled it and all that, against the wishes of this little inscription on the motor brace. Anyways, rotate it the other way. Like I said, I did polish up the blades, but they've got their fair share of scratches, and a couple of them. Is this one? No. Yeah, they've got some damage, likely from it falling over and hitting the motor brace at one point. So anyways, here's a running demonstration. Low speed. Apologies if you couldn't hear it over the furnace. But it's cold here in Ohio. Gotta have it. Gotta have heat. It's 1.3 amps on low. It's high speed. Speed. Like I said, I believe this is a market motor because of the different oil ports on it. Otherwise, it's pretty similar to a Macmillan, not gonna lie. It's very similar. I know a lot of you box fan people love your startup sounds, so here we go. Low speed. With that concludes this video on this Monarch Aire box fan. What a very interesting guard design these Monarch Aires and Air Kings have. This weird staggered grille. It's common styling back in the day in various appliances. Yep, that's it for me. Later.